Hello friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to add a width and a height to your HTML element. So let's have a div tag. Then I'll just say everybody deserves to be blessed. Okay, I have this here. Then to make the width obvious, I'll just come inside my style.css. I'll just grab the div and then I'll add a border first to make sure I see how wide this is. Okay, so I'll just do border 1 pixel. Let's do dash blue. Okay, I can see the width of this element over here. You can see the border, right? So I'll just give it a width. Let's say I want to give this a width of 100 pixel. Okay, can you see that it compiles this into the width? Everybody deserves to be blessed. You see, it's wider. I mean, this element is wider than this initially, but since I give it a width of 100 pixel, it already compiled it to be 100 pixel. So if I give this a width of 200 pixel, can you see? If I give it a width of, let's say, 1000 pixel, you see, then it's horizontally scrollable. Then I can scroll. So pixel is a unit, and you can have other units like m. You can have other units like view width. If you give this a view width, let's say 100 view width, that's the maximum screen size. It should not be more than the maximum screen size. Okay, the width of the screen size is 100 view width. Okay, so that is it. As add a width to your HTML element. So what if you want to add a height? You use the height property, then you just do height. Sorry, and then you can have, let's say, 500 pixel. See, I will have, can you see that I already have a height for my HTML element? Okay, so that is it, my friends. And you can, for you to specify the height of these to match with the screen size, you just do view height, and you just see this. It won't be very longer than 100. It should be 100. Okay, so you see it's not longer than the view height of this current screen size of my browser over here. So that is how to add a width and a height to your HTML element. In my next video, I'll be showing you the difference between maximum width and maximum height, and how to add width and height to your HTML element to make it so responsive no matter the screen size. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to comment. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.